Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to give you a couple of exercises as homework for this week. So before going to the exercises, let's read this tip for success. You do not have to use all the techniques in everything you write. Just be sure to vary the patterns that you use. So it's not necessary to use all types of sentences, but your writing should not be monotonous. Means it should not use the same pattern again and again and again. For example, if you are writing, you should have a combination of sentences like simple sentences, compound sentences, and sometimes you can write complex and compound complex sentences as well. So let's see what we have in our exercises. Work with a partner to rewrite the paragraph below. So you don't have a partner, you can work alone and share your answers in the group and people can give feedback. Vary the sentence pattern by keeping some shorter sentences and by using conjunctions, subordinators and relative clauses to make longer sentences. Let's see how we can do it. The toughest weekend of my life was also one of the best. I was 12. This is a very short sentence. My father and I attended a short survival course. I will never forget it. So now you can see one short sentence, another simple sentence is here. We have another short sentence. This is also a short sentence because it is a simple sentence. It doesn't have two parts, it doesn't have a conjunction. It's just a simple sentence. Now let's see how the writer has combined these simple sentences into a more sophisticated sentence pattern. The toughest weekend of my life was also one of the best. Okay, when I was 12. Now instead of just saying I was 12 and finishing the sentence, a conjunction, a subordinating conjunction or a subordinator has been used to combine these two sentences, this sentence with this sentence. When I was 12, my father and I attended a short survival course that I will never forget. Now here you have a relative clause. Which course? The course that I will never forget. So you can see this sentence is more fluent, it's more sophisticated, and it's easier to read. This is what you have to do. Read the other sentences and just try to combine them, and wherever possible use conjunctions like when, before, after. These are subordinating conjunctions or subordinators. You can also use coordinating conjunctions like but, so, and. Let's see what we have in this exercise. So these are the questions that you have to answer based on what you have written there. How many short sentences do you have? How many sentences have conjunctions? How many sentences have subordinators? How many sentences have relative clauses? So you can answer these questions once you do the exercise. Read the rest of the essay from activity E. Read this essay and choose one of the paragraphs in the essay, circle the conjunctions, underline the subordinators, put a star next to a relative clause. This is very easy. You will read this remaining part of the essay and then decide on one paragraph, like maybe this paragraph, and just read the paragraph and see where you can find subordinators, conjunctions, and relative clauses. Let's see. I don't remember much about the rest of the day, but I do remember that the air got cold quickly when the sun set. So now you have one conjunction here. This is a coordinating conjunction, but then you have another subordinator here, subordinating conjunction when. You have another conjunction here and. These two are conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions, and when is a subordinating conjunction. And there's a relative clause right here, the fire that we had helped build. This is a compound complex sentence. It has got all the conjunctions that we can combine sentences with, like subordinating like when, and coordinating like but and. Select another paragraph and just try to come up with answers to this particular question. Have a nice weekend, and I'm looking forward to your answers in the group.